She likes to stroll the yard. She likes to sniff and smell everything. She likes to get into everything. And she likes to poop all over the yard. And then you got to be the one clean it up. Mmm, I'll tell you, that dog got it made. She's got it made. Uh-huh. So she's got it made. Yes. Look, look. Mhm. She's going back in the house now. Cut that whining out. I don't know what she's whining about, but she's been going on like this all morning long. I don't know whether she's lonely or what, but she better get it together. She better get it together. And look, just wants to jump all on you all day long. You know, a life of being a dog. Mom. Can't help but love her though. Can't help but love Lily.